Larsen-Wieber, and this is Hi folks, Carolyn Larsen-Wieber with CLW Financial Planning. And I know this 2020 has been an unprecedented year. I know that word unprecedented is used a lot, but I don't know how else to explain it. And I know there's a lot of people hurting. A lot of people have lost their jobs, their hours have been reduced. The parents have had to stay home and be with their kids because, schools are not in session. And so I wanted to bring this topic to you because there is something that you can do now in 2020 to make sure that you got the maximum amount of the stimulus check that was originally given based on your tax return for 2018 or 2019. So this talk is about how you can make sure if in fact your stimulus check was what I call was given a haircut because you were in this threshold dollar figure, that when you file your 2020 tax return, you can actually get the incremental difference. So let me explain who this is definitely made for. So the thresholds that we have to pay attention to are, if you're a single taxpayer, it's $75,000 to $99,000. If you're a head of household taxpayer, it's $112,500 to $136,500. If you're a married filing joint couple, it's $150,000 to $198,000. So where do we find those numbers? If in fact you have your 2019 tax return, go to line 8B. 8B is the line for adjusted gross income. Now, if you were below these thresholds, or if you know in 2020 that you're going to be below these thresholds, which is $75,000 for single, $112,500 for head of household, and $150,000 for married filing joint, no problem. You either got the amount of the maximum stimulus check, or you're actually going to get the incremental difference because 2020 is hit the target. Now, what you need to pay attention to now is if you were a little bit above those thresholds in 2020. So you have to understand your 2020 income and what it's going to be and maybe project it out. But there are definitely things that you can do between now and the end of the year that can make sure that you're going to hit the target. And how that's going to work is when you file the 2020 tax return, you'll say, oh, what was my stimulus check that I got? Oh, it had a haircut. Oh, now I'm in 2020, my income is below the threshold. I'm going to get a credit for the difference. So I want to support you, and what I think you need to do if this applies to you is you need to reach out to your CPA or reach out to the person that does your tax return so that you can do some planning now. And if you follow this video all the way to the end, I have information on how you can reach me. LinkedIn, Instagram, Facebook, email, and I would love to help you make sure that you get the exact amount of the stimulus check you deserve, because it has been a heck of a year and this really could help. So thanks for watching. That's all for now. Until the next time.